everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a Kawaii Vegemite charm out of polymer clay just in time for Australia Day, which is on the 26th of January. So let's get started. So begin by making the Vegemite colour by mixing some brown and black polymer clay together. You can then begin shaping it into a jar by rolling it on your work surface and flattening the ends to create a cylinder. To make it just that little bit more jar shaped, gently pinch one end of the cylinder to curve it in slightly. Now for the lid, take some yellow polymer clay and flatten it down into a round disc. I then took my needle tool and I went all the way around the edge, creating small indents. Once you are happy with how it looks, you can then add it to the top of your Vegemite jar. To make the label on the front, you'll want to take some more of the yellow clay and flatten it down using a rolling pin or something similar. Then take a blade and trim it into a rectangle to fit on the front of the jar. I also used the jar to help me get the right size. For the logo, we're going to be taking some red polymer clay and flattening it into a small piece on our work surface. You can then use a blade or another one of your tools to shape the edges and make it into a rhombus. Then just attach it to the front of the charm, and then to finish it off, I also created a small heart out of white polymer clay and attached it on as well. Now moving on to the face, I firstly created two indents where I wanted the eyes to go and then added in two balls of black clay. I made a thin U shape for the mouth and then attached it on, and then I also used two balls of pink clay for the cheeks. You can then add in an eye pin if you want to make it into a charm, and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I went ahead and added some super glue to secure in the eye pin, and then also added a layer of my UV resin as a glaze to make it nice and shiny. And there you have it, that is how to make your own Kawaii Vegemite charm. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys! Here are some creations made by you guys which were made inspired by one of my charms or using one of my tutorials here on YouTube. If you do decide to make your own Kawaii Vegemite charm, be sure to tag me on Instagram or Crafty Amino, and also use hashtag RachieH96 so I can find your photo and feature it in an upcoming video.